Thank you for watching my channel. 5:13 a.m. Good morning, everyone. It's the second day now. Let's continue. Start watching the part 2 now. Today is wanna go Phuket Island. Go to Phuket Island, be 390 kilometers and about 6 hours and 23 minutes. Halfway, we will enter Krabby Seaside Beach. Bro is get up and wait. Let's go, bro. We continue to travel by motorcycle. Ride to the north. We share the location. See who arrives first. We meet PTT 711. 5:40 a.m. I checked the weather forecast, and it said it would rain. Oh no, rain is coming. It's not raining heavily, but can still ride. The rain will pass in a moment. People in the town have begun to work busy. Take a morning photo. Nice mountain is a beautiful scenery. We and bro meet at train PTT 711. Eat breakfast up there. 6:16 a.m. In the high mountains, the wind is very strong. Now we have reached the traffic light in the town. Don't forget that this is Thailand, which is 1 hour behind Malaysia. At 6:30 a.m. Full the gas be waiting, bro. The price of gas here in Thailand is very high. Let's go inside 7-Eleven buy coffee and some food to eat. Bro, you are late. Let's enjoy breakfast together. Let's me photo. Let's go. In a ride. 7:28 a.m. We in Krabby region. After breakfast, we continue to ride. Now let's ride together and take videos to clock in. It's not far to go to the next gas station. Let's enjoy from the riding. Come on, join in the video. Harley boy. Be cool in the riding. Coffee time. Now we go inside, drink some coffee. Amazon Cafe. Let's park it. Nine o'clock a.m. We be ready start on bike. After drinking coffee, let's ride to Krabby first. Go to Sailfish Sculpture, Ao Nang Beach. The weather is nice today. It will be a cool day. Wait for the traffic light. Is green, let's go. Oh no, missed gears. Bro is very enjoy. Let's me see Harley boy. Be cool there. "9:35 a.m. There is a temple here, but we don't have enough time to visit it. Be there. Arrive at the destination. Harley boy." Let's me shortcut. Pat the strange mountains. Nice. After passing here, we almost arrived at the destination. "10:08 a.m. The beautiful scenery is not taken in the video. You must witness it with your own eyes. Bro go to take a picture. Cross the mountain and have a rest. With a bro take picture. Let's take a rest first. Have a cup of coffee and visit the top coffee machine. Let's inside buy a special coffee. Many styles of coffee are sold. Let's order a cup of coffee first. Photo time. After passing this path, we arrived at the Krabby Seaside. Now we in Krabby Seaside. Let me have a look. Where is sailfish sculpture? Oh, it's not far ahead. This is its sailfish sculpture. Today is an ordinary day, and there are not many tourists. Let's me give a picture and video. Need to be fast. This here can't be stopped parking. There are red and white roadside rocks in Thailand, which can't be stopped. Krabi to Phuket Island. There are many spectacular scenery and many spectacular mountains. "11:59 a.m. Let's see those mountains. It's beautiful and spectacular. Relax and enjoy this. Bro is here. Let's photo. Get ready, bro. I be wait in front. We see in Custom Phuket. Now we cross this bridge, and in front of us is Phuket. At 1:06 p.m. in Phuket Island. Let's go to the first place first. HarleyDavidson of Phuket Island. Over there. Let's turn back and enter. Parking inside to see. Many Harley-style motorcycles. What style of motorcycle do you want to see? Limited or special? All Harley motorcycle styles are available here. It also includes the sale of cycling equipment. There are also peripheral products and clothes for sale. We must go to find hotel. Finally, let's see. The new 2024 Harley-Davidson. Honda Bigwing. I have been here before. 3:00 p.m. We need to find a hotel to stay. This hotel is full. We need to find another hotel. We have found it, and we'll stay here tonight. Not bad. B2 Phuket Premier Hotel. Now at night, we have a rest. Now we are going to find dinner. And we go Chilva Night Market, because it is not far from where we live. I hope there is a lot of delicious food over there. Now we Chilva Night Market. Many tourists are here. We have Find a Way parking motorcycle. 6:30 p.m. On the big day of the temple, the streets are full of vegetarian food. During the festival, there are hundreds of veggie food shops along the street in front of the shrine. Now we in market. Let's find out food costs. Over there's. I so hungry want buy some food to eat. Let's place an order and we sit down to eat. After dinner we enjoy live music song. This is just a small night market. And there is a bigger night market. Let's walk around and see what souvenirs we buy. After now, let's go to Temple Lim Hu Tai Su Shrine. Lim Hu Tai Su is a Chinese Taoist shrine on the north side of Phuket town, also known as Samkong Shrine or Yaku Kong Shrine for the neighborhood in which it's found, though not as well known by visitors as larger Chinese shrines like G2A Shrine in Phuket's old town area. Samkong Shrine is a revered place of worship for the local community. It's become a key part of the Phuket Vegetarian Festival when it hosts several ceremonies and a procession during the annual 9-day event. Now the end. Thank you for watching. Let's continue part 3, which will be soon. Be sure to follow and subscribe. We see you in part 3.